trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. Okay, and which is a chapter 23, page number 288. So we'll be studying a new chapter, that is trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. Last time we did trigonometrical ratios only, isn't it? That is just the reduction part where we learned the 6 ratios, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec and sec. Okay, and now today we will be learning about the trigonometrical ratios of different angles. Okay, taking different angles, how do we categorize those trigonometrical ratios? So we have a way to calculate those trigonometrical ratios, which is given in page number 288, which you can refer to yourself. Okay, and if in case of confusion, you can call me and ask me. However, what I'm gonna do is I straight away move with the angles, which is in page number 289. Okay, so angles, a different angle has different values given here. Okay, so which is in page number 289. Please refer to the page. Therefore, for standard angles of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, we have, okay, the values are given there. Sine, we have this for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90. Okay, we have the values for different ratios. The trigonometrical ratios have different values for different angles, and we only take the standard angles. Okay, not all the angles. We only take the standard angles, which are 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. The first ratio that we have is sine. Okay, so what is the value of sine 0 degree? Sine 0 degree is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degree is your 1. Now, the second trigonometrical ratios that we're going to take is your cos. Okay, so cos 0, cos and sine are reciprocal when we talk about trigonometrical ratios of standard angle. They are reciprocal, which means they are just the opposite. So sine 0 degree is 0, sine 90 degree is 1. Cos, we go in the reverse way. So cos 0 degree will be 1. You can see that. Cos 30 degree will be root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree and sine 45 degree will have the same value. Then cos 60 will be 1 by 2 and cos 90 will be 0. Okay, you can see it for yourself. If it's 0, here we have 0 degree, sine 0 degree as 0 and cos 0 degree as 1. Sine 30 degree as 1 by 2 and cos 60 degree as 1 by 2. So what is happening over here? The values are reversed. Okay, the values are reversed. So we can say when we talk about standard angles, sine and cos are reciprocal. Next, we have tan. So tan 0 degree will be 0. Tan 30 degrees will be 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degree will be 1. Tan 60 degree is your root 3. And tan 90 degree is your undefined. Is undefined or infinity. Okay, you can take it as undefined or infinity. Okay. Now, you know what is the reciprocal of tan? Reciprocal of tan is cot. So cot. Now we come in the reverse way. Okay. Cos 0 degree will be infinity, undefined. Cos 30 degree will be root 3. Cot and tan 45 will be the same. Now cos 60 will be what cot tan 30 was, and cot 90 degree will be what tan 0 was. So just the reciprocal. Now the last two ratios that we have are sec. So sec we have 0 degree as 1. Sec 30 degree will be 2 square root of root 2. Sorry, root 3. Okay, sec 45 degree would be root 2. Sec 60 degree would be 2, and sec 90 degree would be infinity. That is your undefined. Last one is your cosec. Now sec and cosec are reciprocal here. So what will be cosec starting from there? Cosec 0 degree is infinity. Cosec 30 is your 2. Your cosec 45 degree will be the same. Cosec 60 degree will be 2 square root of 3, and your cosec 90 will be your 1. Just the reciprocal. So if you know about sine, just reverse it. That will be the same values will be for cos, but in the reverse way. Tan, if you know for tan, you surely know for cot, because you just have to reverse the value. And if you know for sec, you'll surely know for cosec, because you just have to reverse the value. So please remember, sine and cos, they have the same 45 degree, they have the same values for 45 degree, which is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Tan and cot, they have the same value for 45 degree, which is 1 and 1. And sec and cosec will have the same values for 45 degree, which is root 2 and root 2. Rest, just reciprocal, just reverse the values. Okay, so if you know that sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, 45 is 1 by root 2, 60 is root 3 by 2, 90 is 1. For cos, you just have to reverse it. So we start from 90. 1, you just reverse the value of root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0. So you just interchange the position. For sine and cos, tan and cot, and cosec and cosec. So these are the values which are very important, and you have to know this. Okay, these are the values which we are going to be dealing throughout when we are doing trigonometry. Okay, so this is not only applicable here in class 9, it's applicable when you go to higher classes as well. So you need to remember this. I hope it's clear. So we'll be doing some sums related to this angle. Okay, we're gonna be doing some sums related to this angle, which is exercise 22, page number 291, exercise 23A. Number 1. Find the value of sub-question 1. You have sine 30 degree, cos 30 degree. So you said what? You don't have to do anything. You just need to know the table properly, with the values from the table, and just put the values here. So what is sine 30 degree? So sine 30 degree is your half. What is your cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So you just put the values, what you get. Since they cannot be cancelled, so you simply have to multiply them. 1 into root 3 is root 3, 2 and 2 into 2 is 4. This is your one value. Number 2. You have tan 30 degree and tan 60 degree. Like I told you, you don't have to do much, you just have to put the values. So what is your tan 30 degree? It's 1 by root 3. What is your tan 60? It's root 3. Now see if they can be cancelled. Okay, they can be reduced to simplest form. So root 3 and root 3 can be cancelled. So what is left? 1. Answer is 1. Okay, number 3. We have cos squared 60 degree plus sin squared 30 degree. Now, cos 60 and sin 30 will have the same value. Okay, cos 60 and sin 30 will have the same value. Cos 90 and sin 0 and cos 90 will have the same value. So what is your cos 60? Whatever is your cos 30? What is your cos 30? 1 by 2 square. And sin 30 will be the same. 1 by 2 square. So how much do we get here? Square of half is 1 by 4. And 1 square, 2 square, 4. Since the denominator is same, we can add the numerator. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And they can be reduced, further reduced to 1 by 2. So this would be your answer. Okay. So number 4. What do you have in number 4? Number 4 you have cos 6 square 60 degree minus tan square 30 degree. Okay, what is your cos sec? 60 degree is what your sec 30 was, which is your 2 by square root of 3. There's a square, so we write square here, minus what is your tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square. Now square them, 2 square means 4. And root 3 into root 3 will be 3. Minus 1 square means 1. And square root of 3 will be 3. Now the denominator is same. So 3, 4 minus 1, 3. So 3 and 3 is cancelled. What are we left with? Answer is 1. So I have question number 5 and 6 and I want to do it yourself. Okay, question number 5 and 6. Okay, next question number 2. Beginning towards question number 2. So all you need to know here is the table. You need to know the values for the standard angles. And if you know the values for the standard angles, then you can solve any problem. Number 2 says tan square 30 degree plus tan square 45 degree plus tan square 60 degree. You have to find the values for this angle. Okay, now what is your tan? It's 1 by root 3 square. What is your tan 45? 1. Since we have square, so we'll square it. What is your tan 60? Root 3 and square. Now you simply have to simplify the rest. Okay. So 1 square will be 1. Root 3 when you multiply it 2 times you get 3. 1 square will be 1. And square root of 3 multiplied twice will be 3. So 1 by 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. There's no denominator, we assume it to be 1. LCM is 3. So 1 into 1 plus 4 into 3. Simple cross multiplication, you know that. And how much do we get? 1 plus 12 upon 3, which is your 13 upon 3. That would be your answer. Okay. So this is number 1. I'll do number 2 as well. And number 3, I want you to do it yourself. Okay, number 2, what we have? This is 2 sub question number 2. It's tan 45 degree upon cosec 30 degree plus sec 60 degree upon cot 45 minus sine 90 degrees upon 2 cos 0 degree. Now see here, what is your tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. And what is your cosec 30? Your cosec 30 is 2. Plus, now cosec 30 and sec 60 will be have the same value. So because they are reciprocal, so 2 cot 45 and tan 45 will have the same value, which is 1. Sin 90 and cos 0 will have the same value, which is 1 and 1. Now 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1 minus 5 by 2. Please remember this, 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1 are not same. So find the LCM. 2, 1, 1. The LCM will be 2. And 1 would be multiplied with 1. 2 would be multiplied with 2. And 5 would be multiplied with 1. So we're simply doing the LCM part, okay? The fact, the finding the LCM and simplifying it. 1 plus 4 minus 5 divided by 2, which is equal to 5 minus 5 divided by 2, which is 0 by 2, and the answer is supposed to be 0. Okay, so this is how we, what do we need to know basically is the values for the standard angles. So if you know the values for the standard angles, then we can simplify any problem. Okay, we can simplify any sum because the rest is only the factorization part, not the factorization, but finding the LCM and simplifying it. Okay, it's just part of fraction here. Okay, next we're gonna do is proving parts. So what do we have in question number 3? Okay, what do we have in question number 3? We have to just prove what is on the left hand side should be equal to right hand side. So 3, number 1, the question says prove that. Proving, we have to prove sine 60 degree cos 30 degree plus cos 60 degree sin 30 degree is equal to 1. Okay, so we have to prove sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30 is equal to 1. So on the left hand side, okay, we first take left hand side. What do we have on the left hand side? Sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. So what do we have to do? We simply have to put the values. So what do we know? Sin 60 and cos sin 60 and cos 30 will have the same value. So what is your cos 30? What is your sin 60? It's root 3 by 2. So cos 30 will also have the same value, root 3 by 2. What is your cos 60? Cos 60 is your 1 by 2 and sin 30 will also have the same value. 60, sin and cos are reciprocal when we come to values, and sin 60 and cos 30 will have the same value. Cos 60 and sin 30 will have the same value. So root 3, square root of 3 and square root of 3 when you multiply twice, you get 3, 2 into 2 when you multiply 4, plus 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2 is 4. So 3 plus 1, 4 upon 4, which is equal to 1. So your left hand side is equal to your right hand side. Answer is proved. So this is how you prove. Okay. So there aren't much questions there. So I want you to try it yourself, and if there's any further questions left, please do ask. Thank you and have a good day.